just a little message. And I'm hoping that you guys are getting excited for the 2024 election cycle. I'm hoping that you get excited for the school board race. And I wanted to let you know something that's I wanted to run. I wanted to run before 2024 because I had a feeling that it would be the last time that we would actually have a real election. And I just found out that the Democrat Party is gearing up to they actually are gearing up to not run with debates. So, because Joe Biden announced that he's running for president, and he's not really running. It's just an act. It's a front to advance their own agenda. Biden, I don't know about you, but I don't think he's all there. And because of his age, he really should retire. But the administrative state is controlled more effectively by its puppets. There's no substance in the Democrat Party. So the DNC, the Democrat National Committee, or convention, is refusing to host primary debates this year. And I think that's wrong. The DNC here in Colorado, they refuse to host debates for the general candidates. They did the primary, but they didn't do the general election. And I believe that they spitted on the Coloradans' faces of their grassroots base. I ran a completely grassroots campaign. I walked and I talked to everybody. I'm good at it. I could talk to people and I could deal with rejection. But I think we Americans deserve better, and it's really important that you get out there and work the campaign this time. That you actually support a candidate and help them do the grassroots and help initiate a debate at all levels, from the primary to the actual election. Debates are the real issues that Americans face every day. We need these debates. And if Biden can't be there to debate, then he really should not run for president. So demand, Democrats, if you're a Democrat, demand that your party have debates. Get out there and be active as a Democrat. That's all I'm going to say. We need to change the course. And we need to change what's going on. And with that, I hope that you donate to me today so that I can offer these videos. I can get started with my business and build relationships. And I can also form a coalition of parents to move things in my state by initiative. So I'm going to need your help to move forward and promote the initiatives that I have in mind for parents and for taxpayers. Thank you very much, and I look forward to working with you soon.